張範瑜、潘志斌、
何君琳、
Michelle 鍾大聲。
Congratulations！
盡自己嘅態度去做咯，即係唔好理人哋講咩，就堅持自己咯。
多謝我啲師俾呢次機會我，去有咁多人支持我，俾咗一個機會我去展示我嘅 design 啦。
好希望所有我嘅學弟學妹都會參加呢個比賽。
嗰科好 creative， 因為啲即係後生嘅佢哋嗰個 creativity 咧好高。
學生咧有時佢哋有啲夢想可以真情咁攞出嚟嘅係好好嘅。
香港 design 始終俾一個人嘅感覺係可能冇國際性嘅水準，但係今日我覺得已經 show 咗我哋係有國際性嘅水準啦。
咁今次知道可以做到呢個即係鞋履嘅 sponsor， 咁我都幾開心。
I mean, the show is really great. Love the show a lot. Hope to see it next year.
I absolutely love the winner. I am so glad that the winner was the best one because they had halos on that were just fantastic.
要花啲時間去爭取一啲機會啊咁樣，咁就so far而家都發展得唔錯。咁我希望今年佢哋加油啦，努力啊
As I say always, it's good to have some practice before you start your own brand. Because it's a lot of practical things that you have to think about yourself maybe, and also maybe to put together your company with someone else that is good at something that you are not. For example, it could be marketing or economics or whatever. It's always nice to be two, I think.